Hello, I'm Dr. Sindhu, one of treating doctor here today. May I confirm your good name and age, please? Nice to meet you, Mrs. Samantha. May I know what brings you here today? Mm-hmm. Okay. Anything else? Mm-hmm. I'm really sorry to hear about it, Mrs. Samantha. And I totally understand it, how a stressful situation would be for you being a parent. Before I proceed to the management part, let me confirm if Michael is accompanying you. Mm-hmm. Okay, Mrs. Samantha, it would have been better if Michael was accompanying you. Okay, but please bring him in the next appointment. Okay, I would like to examine him and have a chit chat. Okay, so I'll ask a few questions about Michael's condition. Is it okay with you? Mm-hmm. So, Mrs. Samantha, are you an eyewitness of it? Mm-hmm. Okay, can you describe the fit for me? Mm-hmm. Okay, and do you know how it started? Okay, if you notice, he bit his tongue during the fit. And did he pass urine during the fit? Passed his stool? Okay, have you noticed the duration of fit? What was duration? Okay. Okay, Mrs. Samantha, how long did Michael took to recover? Okay, then he went to sleep. Okay, and did he had fever at the time of it? Okay, so did you record it? Was the exact grade of fever? Okay. Okay, Mrs. Samantha, can you tell me if Michael had any vaccination recently? Mm-hmm. Okay, if he escaped a meal? Okay, if he was suffering from an infection causing runny nose and watery eyes? Okay, if he had cough and flu? No. If you notice any neck stiffness? Okay, if he developed any rash? Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, if he had any head injury? Mm-hmm. Okay, Ms. Samantha, if there is any history of it in the past? Mm-hmm. If is a non-diabetic? Mm-hmm. Okay, any history of increased blood pressure and decreased pulse? Mm-hmm. Okay, Ms. Samantha, can you tell me what's the mode of delivery of Michael? Okay. Okay, and Fulcrum. Okay. So was the delivery normal? Mm-hmm. Okay. So is all his vaccination are done complete? Mm-hmm. According to his age, yeah. Mm-hmm. And Mrs. Samantha, is Michael feeding properly and adequately? Mm-hmm. Okay. What do you do for living, Mrs. Samantha? Okay. So who look after Michael when you go to school? Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. So, Mrs. Samantha, I'll ask a specific question regarding to the age of your Michael. Okay. So, is he running freely and interacts with children of his age? Okay. Any previous episodes of fits when he had high-grade fever? Mm-hmm. Okay. Any immediate family member suffering from similar fits while having high-grade fever? Mm-hmm. Any immediate family member suffering from active tuberculosis? Mm-hmm. Okay. If Michael is taking any medicine regularly or prescribed by a doctor or over the counter, Mrs. Samantha? Mm-hmm. If he has any drug allergy? Mm-hmm. Suffering from any chest problem, asthma? Mm-hmm. Okay, Mrs. Samantha. Being a mother, what worries you the most? Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. I appreciate your concerns, Mrs. Samantha, and I'm here to encourage you. Okay, to support you. Okay, is everything clear till now? Okay, is there anything else you would like to add? Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, Mrs. Samantha. So if Michael was following your commands, if he was active now. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, so Mrs. Samantha, if you have done any investigations of Michael so far? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, so Mrs. Samantha, I'll offer you few tests, okay, to better understand his condition. Okay, so here is a complete blood count with ESR, okay, and midstream urine test for infection, okay, and blood glucose test to exclude low sugar attacks or diabetes, mellitus, or insipidus. Is everything clear till now? Okay, so Mrs. Samantha, from the information you have shared with me, it is my considered opinion that most likely Michael is having a form of condition, what we call in a medical terms is febrile fits. Okay, do you know what are febrile fits? Okay, Mrs. Samantha, you do not need to be worried. Okay, I'm here to tell you. Okay. So actually, in this condition, child temperature regulating system is set at low level. Hence, child has fits when he has rise. He has high grade fever. Okay, is clear to you? Yes, Ms. Samantha. So these febrile fits can reoccur in subsequent febrile illness in 30% of children. Okay, and it is not a life-threatening condition. Let me reassure you. Many children have fits with high-grade fever, and it resolves by its own. Okay, after treating the cause. And do you follow me? Mm-hmm. So I'll encourage you to prevent fit in future by following steps. Okay, if you are with me. Okay, so Mrs. Samantha, whenever Michael have high-grade fever, remove his clothes. Okay, and start sponging with tapped water. And open windows and start fan or AC. Okay, and if fever is high grade, keep paracetamol syrup before fit develops. Okay, that's how you'll control fever. So you can control fits to occur. Okay, and if it has developed, then give diazepam injection on suppository by back passage. Okay, are you with me? Can I proceed? Mm-hmm. Yes, Mrs. Samantha, remember, you need not to be a panic, okay? Remove any injurious things around Michael, like electric wires, and turn him to the left lateral position, okay? And don't interfere with a fit by restraining the Michael, okay? And fit will stop in less than 5 minutes, and he will recover spontaneously and completely in a few minutes, okay? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, okay, so Mrs. Samantha, here is a safety netting that whenever he develop a fit again or deteriorates in any way or develop non-blanching rash, kindly seek immediate medical help. Okay, here is my contact details. Okay, and I'll provide you some written information about Michael's condition, and you can read it at home, and I hope it will be helpful for you. Okay, and Mrs. Michael, I'm arranging a second follow-up visit in less than 24 hours. I would like to review Michael's tomorrow morning. Okay, is everything clear till now? Mm-hmm. And Mrs. Michael, if you notice that he's drowsy or irritable and seems toxic, you see that so following these steps, and despite that fever is not subsiding. And you see it in neck stiffness. Okay, so you can get immediate hospitalization. Okay, is everything clear till now? Mm-hmm. Okay, Mrs. Samantha, I wish him a speedy recovery. Okay, and take good care of yourself, and see and please visit within 24 hours, okay, along with Michael. Bye bye.